Hi, I'm Sammy. I'm from Thailand. I decided to study at Impact English College because I would like to improve my English. And I study in here 4 courses. They are General English, Extreme English, Barista English, and Business English. All the course study in the afternoon. I didn't have the problem about that because when I finished in the extreme course, I got a job. I think this class is really helped me to improve English. And then I got promoted to be a barista at my workplace. And I like to study in the afternoon. I would like recommend Impact for everyone.